Hey guys, I just wanted to spend a little time going over and running some examples for you for F through J. Your goal for the end of day 1 was really to make sure you were close to finishing E, if not done with that already. Remember your grading checkpoint. I graded A and B in class. We did them kind of together. C, D, E were yours, and then I grade as a checkpoint. Make sure you have those 50 out of 50 points, and then you're on your own for F through J, and then I will grade those 5 at once. F is very as simple as it looks. He starts in the top right, so 3, 5, facing north. He's got to move, pick up the beeper, done. Okay, so it is that short. It requires 1 comment. So for F, no errors. Check your general output. Nothing. It's done. Okay, so for G, G says Carl basically has to pick up a newspaper represented by a beeper. He has to retrieve the paper and bring it back to his bed. Bring it back to bed, his starting position. So he needs to start at 3, 4 facing west, pick up the paper, and then return to 3, 4 west. There are 2 comments in that one. He gets the paper and he returns to his bed. 2 comments. So he gets the paper, returns to bed, same ending as he started. Turn off, meaning we have no runtime errors. He didn't run through a wall or anything like that. Okay, H. This is a mountain. Carl climbs the mountain. He's not Super Carl. He cannot just go up in a box. He has to scale the mountain. So he has to go around the mountain, put the beeper or the flag at the top, and then he has to descend the other side. So he's got to go back down this way. 2 comments. Carl climbs the mountain and puts down the flag, and Carl descends the mountain. So plants the flag, and then he descends. See, it doesn't say how he has to end, so if you want to turn him left one more time to have him facing east, that's fine, or you can end him there. And then we have the groceries. His bag ripped, and he lost some of his expensive items. Be aware, it's warning you, you have 2 beepers, 1 beeper, 2, 1. So it's 2, 1, 2, 1. He's got to go pick them all up and then go back into his house. That is 2 comments. Retrieves his groceries he dropped, returns home. Okay? No errors. Get in the habit of checking that. No runtime errors. To pick up 2 beepers, very easy. He just does pick beeper and then pick beeper. That's it, in the same location. For J, write a program that instructs Carl to rearrange the beeper pattern as shown below. Okay, so here, he has to, this is the original world that you create in World Builder. So he creates the world with the 5 beepers. Carl picks up all the beepers, and then he replaces them to look like this and ends up at 2, 5 north. It really should be 3 comments, but I know I only told you 2. So he picks up all the beepers, he puts the beeper in the new order and returns or goes to a new position. So really, he moves to 2, 5. Okay? And note, she did not pick this beeper up because she didn't need to. It could stay where it was. No errors. It is all good. I do want to make one last note before I let you guys move right on to your project. In H, he has to put a beeper down, so you have to give him one in his constructor line. Give him 1 beeper in his beeper bag. This is the only one he needs the beeper in. Okay? Hope this helps you all out.